So today we want to show you our newly integrated MindSphere application Operations Insight. This will allow you to immediately see what is going on with your plant or assets, help you to optimize maintenance and improve productivity without any development effort. Let's take a closer look. You will start Operations Insight just like any other MindSphere application from the Launchpad. The home screen provides a quick overview of the status of the plant and connected assets. Here you see the latest critical errors. Let's jump to this asset and explore the details. The asset section consolidates all relevant data and allows you to see everything about this asset on a single screen in one central place. You can see the time series data, the history of events, as well as asset-related base data, and where the machine is located. Now let's analyze your relevant time series data in more detail. This screen permits the selection of variables and allows you to pan and zoom into your data. This helps you to understand how the asset is doing. You can add additional variables also from other assets for comparisons, and you can also correlate these time series charts with events that were triggered during the same period. Once the root cause of an issue has become clear, it's easy to track the corresponding activities via a work order. Work orders can be created without leaving the page. You can just add a description, due date and priority. Even attachments can be added if required. Then the work order is assigned to the responsible person for follow-up. For example, you can create work orders that will trigger ordering spare parts or an on-site technician intervention. Another useful capability for getting more insight into production or machine state are the Operation Insight dashboards. As a user, I can either take a look at dashboards that my colleagues have prepared, or I could create my own dashboards. Again, without any specific development. Now let's assume I need a specific value in a dashboard that is not available right from the machine itself. Here, the KPI section supports the creation of new variables with user-defined calculations, so-called KPIs. Here you see a very simple example that calculates the difference of two temperatures. The result is stored back in the system as a variable that can be used in any of the other modules. And of course, more sophisticated use cases with aggregations and filtering are also possible. If any variables need to be monitored, this can be accomplished via the integrated rules. Here you would select the asset and variable and how exactly the monitoring should be performed. Here we see a simple example of a periodic threshold check. And as activity, in case a rule is triggered, the system may create an event or send a warning email to the maintenance team. Thank you for following this quick tour around Operations Insight. Make sure to give it a try.